Good afternoon, this is RJS Roofing here at Amber Obianwu's house. Attempting a repair test on the back side of the house on this here shingle due to this damaged tab. It is December 16th, 2 p.m. and 56 degrees outside.
I'm gonna show you guys that we are on the back side.
All right, tools we'll be using is a hammer, nail puller, and a State Farm roof snake. First things first, I'm gonna start by breaking the seals on our tabs so we can remove our nails.
All right, let me give who's ever watching this a close-up of these two rows right here that we're taking nails from. That way you can see before we get started on our repair, there's no prior damage or creasing or anything like that nature to these shingles except for this wind damage shingle.
All right, I'm gonna start on this bottom row here. Lifting my tab just high enough to locate my nail, which should be on the bottom shingle seal line.
All right, I'll give you guys a close-up condition check of that. You can see with some light tapping, there's a little bit of granule loss, a little bit of broken matting here, slight creasing along the top here, and more on that right side.
Second tab.
All right, another close-up for you guys. See that little bit of granule loss there, a little bit of matte breaking here, right there, and then more in the middle, and on that right side there. Uh-oh, you need a tool belt.
Start on this third tab. Same thing.
All right, I'll give you guys a condition check of this one as well. You can see with that light tapping, there's some granule loss, a little bit broken matting right there. And as we go across, there's a little bit more in the middle, slight matte breaking right there.
All right, last tab on this bottom row.
No nail? All right, well, I'll still look at it because he lifted it up. Not too far. You see all that debris though. There's a bunch of debris up underneath these shingles when he gets to hammering. Oh, snap. Pine straw almost claimed one.
All right, start on this top row. Same thing. Locate my nail.
All right, to give you guys a condition check. See with that light tapping, some loose granules right here with this broken matting. Not too bad for the most part, but you do see a little bit of matte breaking going along.
To our second tab.
All right, get another close up of this one as well. See a little broken matting here on this left corner, more there. And as we go along, you can see that slight crease starting to form. A little bit of loose granules.
On to our last tab, we should have two nails over here. Looks like we might just have one. Oh, we have two.
Give you guys a condition check of that last tab. Get that out of the way. You can see some light tapping. There's some granule loss, a little broken matting here. As we go along, a little bit more there, and a little bit more right there as well.
We're gonna remove our shingles. Insert our new one. install our nails back using the State Farm roof snake. Still just lifting the tab high enough to get my nail and roof snake on the seal line where your nail should be.
See some of that granule loss the more he starts hammering.
Repair test is done. Go over these tabs with you, showing you mat breaking, granule loss, coming all along these bottom tabs. Not so much in this one's probably our best one, just on the left side. So I'll definitely have to count these three here. On the top, got mat breaking, granule loss on the left side of this tab, right side, and the left side into the middle of this one. This one not as much, but you can see mat breaking in the left side, a little bit in the middle. I'll have to count this one too. And then you have to hope that these tabs seal back down with all these debris up under, you know, pretty much each one of them. So on this repair test, I have to say it failed.
All right, I'll give you guys one more close-up of these shingles so you can see these creases on them. A little bit hard to see with the growth on these shingles on this north face, but you can see it.